Arizona, man. I'm excited. Finally gonna be turboing the IPL, man. Gonna be turboing the car. So I'm actually going to go pick up a single turbo Soho kit out in Arizona. Shout out to my boy Colton, man. He actually plugged me with the deal. And I've been looking for a long time, you know what I mean? I've been looking for a long time on either a supercharger or a turbocharger. And we found one, man. We found one, so I'm actually heading out to Arizona. But I'm gonna check my fluids real quick, make sure everything's good. Stock boys, man. Last time you're gonna see it stock. Alright, quick little update. Been driving for an hour now. Got the cruise control on. We chilling, man. We chilling. But probably out by, I believe, India. So I'm seeing like a few cops and stuff like that right now. So I'm like cruising. I am cruising. There should be no reason why I should get pulled over. I got my valves closed. Car is completely quiet. And man, it's funny though because I've been like really thinking about this and stuff like that. Like I'm really about to be single turbo. Like that's crazy. But you know, it's crazy out here in California if you can get state refed for a freaking pink intake or a radiator hose, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just thinking about it, man. It's just crazy. So I'm definitely I definitely like having the ability to be quiet with the valves. So I'm definitely gonna try to incorporate the valve system with my the turbo kit. Because I definitely like it. I like being able to be quiet and discreet and just low-key, you know what I'm saying? But then when I'm ready to, you know, open the valve and gap someone, I can open the valve. So I'm excited, man. I'm nervous, not gonna lie. I'm excited. I'm more excited than nervous because, you know, it's just boost, you know? It's boost. Let's be honest. It's fucking boost. So, you know, fucking wastegate go out and then you over boost. You boost, you know, 30 pounds, boom, you blow your engine. But, you know, it's not that bad if you think about our motors, you know, only cost around like $800 to replace, you know what I'm saying? It's like if you got the hookup. So honestly, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm still nervous because it's just a lot to go on with a turbo, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot going on, but I'm happy the kit I'm getting is legit still. Like this is legit a $10,000 kit. Brand new, has not been opened, you know what I mean? And I'm getting the hookup on it. Let's just say that. So let's just say that. So basically, I'm driving all the way to Arizona just to go get this kit. So that should let you know how good of a kit this is. But yeah, so the kit is actually a Soho single turbo stage 1 kit, and it comes with everything. Even comes with the fueling too. And I just want to get it, eventually get it on there on the car, and just be conservative right now. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy because, like I said, it's still gonna be the stock block. And I just gotta do a lot of supporting mods, you know what I'm saying, before I really start cranking up the horsepower. But right now, just the main objective is getting the kit. You know, just get the kit and just have it. You know, once I have the kit, that's the hardest part. I feel like finding either someone to fabricate a kit or buying the kit or, you know, chucking forth the money, you know, a deposit or something like that for waiting on a kit. Like think about it, like if you wanted to buy a brand new boosted performance or, you know, let's go Soho, like dude, you're spending like 10K, you know what I'm saying? And you're still gonna be on a wait list. You know, for me, I'm very impatient. I had to learn with my business to, you know, relax. Things can't be fast and always up front. So, but man, this kit was a steal, and this is why I'm driving out there right now to go get it. So excited. I'll get you guys on the update when I'm a little closer. Alright, we just got to AZ. I'm about to hit the bank real quick. She drove good. We set bags on a regular car, man. Man, bags held up good, boy. Look good though. But my boy is about to pull up right now with his Turbo G. My boy Colton. So you guys probably seen this car on YouTube or on Instagram. So he's got to pull up. I gotta go get the money real quick for the turbo kit. And yeah, let's get it. Alright, got the money. And woo, check that out. Dang, I know you guys seen this G on freaking Instagram. God, check it out, check it out, check it out. Hey, what's up, big dog? How you doing? Good. God.
Finally me.
I know, right? Finally. Yeah, you're way taller in person. It wasn't bad at all, man. It wasn't bad at all. Like, listen to that. Sheesh. Oh, man. So you have the mid-mount turbo kit. Custom made. Dope as hell. Dope as hell. All right, let's get it. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Dude, that shit sounds so good. Bro, that thing sounds so sick. I'm so jealous. Oh, I can't believe I want to be turboed. Oh, let's go. The fact that I'm about to be turbo too is so dope. That shit is so so cool. Bro, I like it in AZ. Like, you can drive fast as hell. People don't even care. Like, dang. I'm definitely gonna miss my Motor 9 R pipes. Like turbo time, it's all good. Alright, so we just put up to the dude's house and selling the kit. I'm so fucking excited. Let's get it. Just air it out. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
With the red on red.
Yeah.
My cousin Corey.
What's up, brother man? How you doing, man? Good, good, good. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, here it is. Here it is, guys. You guys have seen it first.
There you go. This is the fuel return system from CJM.
So, damn, check it out. So the fuel return system from CJM. Nice, man. Oh, my bad. I'm for sure gonna take it out. There's no way that's gonna fit in the coupe. There's no way that's gonna fit in my car. Alright, so check it out. Here's everything. Freaking brand new. Check it out. Sheesh. No shaft play at all. Like freaking brand new Gary turbo.
24 hours ago.
Literally.
Brand new in box.
Oh my gosh, dude. Check it out. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it all in the IPL, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Oh, look at this. Sheesh. There's everything, man. I'm excited for the exhaust. So it goes into a single, so we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna put the exhaust cutouts on this, but we're gonna get it done. Perfect. Turbo jacket right here. Alright. Looks like everything to me.
This is fresh as hell.
Literally has not been opened yet. Like, oh, shout out my dude, man.
Hell yeah, dog.
Shout him out, man. Sheesh. That don't look so mean.
Well, honestly,
Oh, I gotta fit all these boxes somehow. We're probably just gonna take everything out and put it in the car. But I have no room in my trunk because it's a management system for the bags. Oh man, crazy. There's no way my IPL is about to be turbo. Like, I'm just a regular guy, you guys. I'm a regular person. Just work hard just like you guys, man. That's it, bro. Just saved my money, man, and got lucky. That's it. Bro, there's no way. There's no way. My car is complete after I turbo. Like, I'm not doing anything else. No carbon fiber hood, staying just like this. Look at that. Here's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail for the video right there. Bro, they look so fire together. Damn.
Neon yellow.
How'd you even choose that color? Like, honestly.
Never seen a yellow one. Never seen a yellow one.
Bro, a turbo banana right there, boy. I tell you that. Like, man, you can't miss this thing, Captain. Damn.
I'm thinking I might start making them for people. I don't know. They're too time consuming.
Oh, yeah, we packed it in there. Yes, I do. You about to take me a ride real quick? Yeah. But check it out. We packed everything in there. Had to take it out the boxes. But yeah, other than that, bro, I'm so happy. So happy. All right, so he's about to take me for a ride in the Beast. Gonna leave the car here real quick. Shit, clean interior. You wouldn't even think this is turbo. Like, come on now. Super rare 6-speed manual sedan. Come on now. Oh, you got the windshield tint too, huh? Nope.
35.
Damn, that's crazy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, got a cop. There's a cop. Dang, they didn't even stop to look at us. All right. Be careful. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, he's saying his car is still slow. Like, if you guys were along with this ride right now, you would, oh my gosh. I almost peed myself. But dang, man, this kid is super dope, man. So you said Ezio? What is it?
Ezio? Again? Oziel.
Oziel, okay.
His Instagram is boosted_project G.
Yeah.
He's in Phoenix, Arizona.
Yep.
Yep. Type of rear mount, top mount, mid mount.
So that's actually who I was gonna use, actually. But I just didn't want to leave my car in Arizona for 3 weeks. So, but this kid came along. I said, you know what?
I can be home in 6 hours.
Yeah, literally. And now I can put the kit on myself in the garage, like you guys see all the time when I do my headlights and all that stuff. So, but yeah, man, I'm excited. Man, you as well, brother. Hit me up. I got you. Hopefully this thing will be boosted by then. Oh yeah. Jeez. Look at that. Starts up every time too. Check this out, man. I got literally everything just up in there. With my turbo, brand new Garrett turbo. Sheesh. Nice. All right. About to eat real quick. Panda. You guys know about Panda. How about the orange chicken and the morning one? Fire. But I'm gonna eat this and just get right on the road. Quick turnaround trip. All right, we're about to go through customs real quick. Just see they let me in. Oh, we good. Yeah. Brought that turbo back to Cali. Oh. All right, guess we're good. Back in Cali, brought the turbo system back. Smoked it back into Cali perfectly fine. All right, I guess we're good. All right, so we are back at my dealership. As you can see, I actually got a client here right now. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. As you can tell, man, we got so much content coming soon. I'm super excited, man. Super excited. I'm glad to take you guys along the process. So go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.